Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is my sister with her fine nails. Your nails is fine, yeah. So well, yeah. So she said I should not show you her face, but I'll just show you her hands. She's washing mom. So yeah, the video called the fast forward. So wash.
No, don't post it.
Why?
Hey, they are putting soup off.
So this is Sapa food.
Not serious. You go video all of them. You don't do small. That's
It's a
it.
video all of them. That's what they do now. So she's done now. So ew. See, I don't think I'll have enough space. Then they say she only have money to afford mama. Okay, looking pretty good. It takes so much time to just do more. Looking pretty good. Can your mama be ever be neat like this? Oh, voila. So that is all for that. So our next step will be okay. So she just slicing it on the slab. So I don't know what to say, but we're slicing the pomo into small pieces in a good chunks. I can eat the pomo like this because it's already washed and wet. Trade.
Is it necessary?
If you can guess my location, I'll give you 5,000. She noticed that she didn't wash the pomo well, so she's trying to like peel the skin off. Hey, smells. The last speaking our boy. Yeah, thank God. Cause these two guys I think say not only the first one get problem, the second one don't join.
The second one is worse though.
If the mama they consider, we think say na their daughter. Later, of course, na the mama.
Yeah, just a minute.
Oh, there's enough rinsing. Nothing is on the fire. Oh my God. Nothing is on the fire. But this gas is plain. And when will you be done with this your pomo rinsing?
What I do for? Let me take my phone and give you I guess. Wash my pomo very well.
Finally, there's purge. That's the pomo. She put the pomo on the fire. Something is smelling before we go.
So,
Turn it now. So show us your none now. Is there you put in no? So how many cubes are you putting? How many?
One.
Not talk. She's putting just one for our egusi. Let's see if our egusi will turn out good. And what again? Salt. That salt was much. Did you just put salt like that in your hand? No, nah.
It's not plenty. It's not like see. Yeah. See Anna. It wasn't plenty because I did not show it. I'll be showing it.
I show it.
When you watch the video, you see it.
I've never seen when they use hand to take pepper. Only in Nigeria homes.
Or should I come to that place?
Because I'm not cutting anything.
Extra.
She want to add extra. So I think it's looking like coloring. Let me give it a stir. So it's just pomo. So are you not covering it?
Yeah, I'm not done.
Yeah, I'm done. Onions. So after that, cover it now. Then after that, we will now go and rest. Eh? Show me. Gino. So what again? Fresh pepper. Yeah, now fresh pepper.
You can put fresh pepper in grounded pepper.
I'll be taught to come before.
These things.
I'm posting it.
This is spicy. The essence of this is to have egg. You either do it this way or the wet way. The wet way, as it's inside that bowl, just put water and mix it like pap. And I'll be scooping it inside.
Eh?
What's it thing? It's in the house, it's in the store.
I said our house.
In the store. The front one, no.
No.
You give me 10,000, give me 10,000. Thank God this video they record our voice. A little bit spice.
You said the last is picking our boy. Now
That's
get.
small baby.
Now get.
Eh.
Yeah. You not get boy features.
They travel this one too much.
Who they prank? They prank the wife.
I know who you do.
But if na Nigeria, if na black woman, go flog am. You know they regard black woman and na Nigerian women they try for man pass anybody.
Yeah.
But say the men not they appreciate us. So that's why that I see when I see black, their love is still strong. If you see Abigail and her husband, what you say the Johnny you mad? Aye! This man create your own.
Not concerning.
No say when happiness dey good things go dey come.
That's so.
This one invest, opportunity to go miss in hand.
Each one for this one to talk. This one not go. So let me make you get out.
Yeah, nah. I was so happy when I saw that the love it just in there strong.
I want to put some.
Yeah. To put palm oil. I don't know why she's doing this. Alright, I went to the village to go and learn how to cook it. There's oil. A good thing that they had to do. Mary. That weather is not going to reach ya. Okay, we reach. After this, I will test. Yeah. After this, I will test.
Yes, I'm going to push more. Then, like what?
Enough water.
No, not yet.
They burn.
I know some.
Now we use the fire. Won't you use the fire? Now we get strength. Yeah, now, yeah. That's all. Oh my god. It's so nice.
She's not doing very well. You need to see pepper too much.
This one I like pepper. No.
No fucking taste. After all my wishy I did at the beginning.
One.
There's 2.5. Room for water. There's no need.
Put water now.
Just put it. Hope this tonton we are not posting it. They say na put the corn in our soup. Then the mom will say if you do turn on the spoon. It's okay.
Let me taste. Pepper.
I'm gonna taste pepper.
Pepper.
I'm gonna taste pepper.
I'm ready for the food all the time.
Pepper.
Oh my hand. This is the end product. They eat now.
Next question. Is this better than Chick-fil-A?
They take us slow. Eat Joe.
Nothing. Can't cook till it does. Can't cook quick. It's If I can.
Waiting no fit.
Oh, you said what about loyal?
On the spicy. I'm tasting Gino. That Gino killed it.
On where we going. We have never been here, and the kids decided. Well, kids decide everything.
Jesus, that Gino killed it.